Happy Monday, challengers. I hope all of our mothers in our group, whether you're a mother of a furry creature or a hairless, is that even what I say, creature, our children, I hope you had a wonderful, happy Mother's Day weekend. So I just wanted to do a quick video to get our week started. Today's a new day, it's a new week, so anything that happened before is in the past. So if you had a bad weekend nutritionally or you didn't get your workouts in, it's over, it's done. So today's a new day. So we have some new challengers starting today, so today is a new day for you regardless. And for our older challengers who are still in the challenge, it's a whole new week, a whole new day, so get to it. Remember your goals, remember why you're doing things. And the challenge I have for you today is what motivates you, what keeps you wanting to reach your goals and keep doing your workouts and keep improving your nutrition. Do you do it for becoming a better role model for your kids? Do you do it for yourself so you can fit in that bathing suit that you've been always wanting to wear that you haven't worn yet? Do you do it for all those people that told you couldn't do it? What keeps you going? What keeps you motivated? What keeps you wanting to push play every day and sticking with this no matter how hard it gets? Because we all know that it's definitely not, this journey is not an easy thing. It's not something that you wake up each morning and say, oh, I love waking up super early in the morning and getting this done. That doesn't always happen. It's not always fairies and butterflies. It's a tough journey, and it's not easy, and it's not always easy to stick to. So what keeps you going? What keeps you motivated? So I want you to share that with the group. And today's challenge, and this is something that we'll talk about on the Zoom call tonight for those of you who can get on, but to earn points today, to earn some extra points, I want you to start stepping out of your comfort zone and being proud of who you are and what you do and be able to share that. So for today's challenge for extra points, and today I'm just, because I know this is hard for some of you, I want to give you 5 extra points if you do just a very quick video that says what motivates you. So it can just be record, I do it for to be a better role model for my kids, off. Post that video into the group, okay? I do it to fit into this bathing suit and show your bathing suit. What motivates you? So if you do a quick short video clip and you share that with the group, I'm going to give you 5 extra points today. So that's a lot of points. So step out of that comfort zone. Something about reaching goals and being where you want to be is releasing fear, getting rid of fear. And if you get rid of that fear piece, what you're able to do is limitless. So something that I've learned that we all need to do is get rid of that fear piece. Not do things because you're scared to or you're afraid what people can think. This is a group where we support each other and help each other grow as women, and something that you need to do is release that fear. So in practicing getting rid of that fear, I want you to just a real quick video that says what motivates you and share that with the group, okay? So later on, if you'd like to get on a call, I do a Zoom call where it's just video. So you click on the link, and if you have a webcam, we can all see each other and talk and introduce each other and ask questions about the 21-Day Fix. And we're going to be having max 30 people joining our group. It's going to be our next program, scaffolding piece of our program here. So any questions that you have, or just introduce each other, or just to be on and listen because maybe you'll learn something, even if you're an older challenger and you just want to get on, for anything that you need. If you don't have a webcam, that's fine too. There'll be a separate phone number that you can call in, and I'll just see a little phone. But you can still ask questions and you can still hear. So if I get at least 2 people tonight, then I'll have a call tonight at 8:30, and I will post a link later on so everybody can use that and the phone number. And yeah, let's get this week started right and share those videos, share those pictures, and let's have an awesome day. All right, guys, see ya.